Learn how I protect myself when that happens. I want you to have a free copy of my latest best-selling book, The Laser Fund, How to Diversify.
And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us.
The economies may give you some rotational minutes. I mean, Nemanja Bjelica's a big guy.
Bloomberg Radio. If you thought you missed the lowest mortgage rates in history, you're in luck. They're back. Mortgage rates are near historic lows again. So if you have a mortgage, refinance it and forget it. You'll never have to worry about refinancing again. Network Capital Funding is offering a low 30-year fixed rate at 2.25% with a 2.37.
Like just walk into your local CVS and get a
saloon. At this point, I'm not even sure.
Illustrated in about 100 different books in 30 years, centered around Black historic heroes.
Why do hedge funds and other alternative managers?
For some of the bigger names.
Yeah, I was talking to an exec, and he was saying that the Warriors day one.
Because your monthly budget is what's going to...
VideoMIcro. Listen to VideoMIcro.
學家講，方麗之後，後來嚟美國。
Democrats who had been calling for Biden to take action to prevent millions of people from being evicted.
Well, at this point, Biden really had a choice because I studied in reports liberal Democrats have really...
Rings and it's 11:30. Can't believe it, but the time just flies. Soon I'll be on a cruise to Devon, hearing stories and 1,000 lies about the things that I never do. Experience that I don't have. It's kind of scary on the big Queen Mary. Gotta do it fast. Gotta grab the piece of paper. Wish I could.
And they felt that, this was something that Biden had the authority to do through executive order, through executive action.